How are we doing, folks? Bit of a road trip today to pick up a new bit of kit for the workshop. Let's just have a quick look. Just getting ready to lift it out of the back of the truck. So there we go. She's a small milling machine. Looks like it's only ever been used for woodworking as well. No wear on the slides or anything. Runs lovely, really quiet. So very, very pleased. So the only issue now is I've got to get it out of the back of here, and hopefully the engine hoist will manage it. Anyway, I'll take a couple of more video clips of it when we've got it out. So I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so the machine's set up. I'll just quickly show you around her. So I've adapted this stand to suit, fits quite nicely. The table is 12.5 travel and 6.5 travel, and there is I think it's like 3 3/4 or 4 inch down the quill. So a bit of an unusual arrangement here. So obviously drive straight into the spindle with this. You undo this and it's like a little taper drive, like a little taper chuck. And once that's disconnected, no drive on there, just on here, winding back in, so you make the clutch bite on here. So now she's bit. Now you can't move this because you've got a worm and wheel. So a worm can drive a wheel, but a wheel can't drive a worm. So now you're on this one, and there's your fine adjustment. And I've made a few modifications to this. It wasn't right, it was restricting the flow, but it's a bit of corrosion where the battery was and all that, so I've cleaned all that up. So it's now imperial or metric, and 0, etc. Arrow for whichever direction. It's quite neat. It's also got a tapping feature if you were going to do machine tapping. So you can actually reverse the motor to back out. Stop start obviously, and there's quite a big speed range on it. Array of pulleys, so quite a few speeds up and down. I think it's a 3/4 or 0.75 of a kilowatt or something. No, it's half a kilowatt, 3/4 horse. So that's it in its entirety. A lovely little thing. I did my first job on it the other day. This vise came with it. It's a lovely little vise. This is my vise, but the other milling machine I had, this has got 14mm slots in the bed. The other machine I had was 1/2 inch, so all my mounting bits and pieces were narrower here. So I've just opened this one up with an end mill or a slot drill to suit the bigger bolts. So yeah, it's lovely. Quite a bit of kit came with it. What did we get? We got a set. It's R8, by the way. R8's the taper in the spindle. So I've got a set of collets. I've got a R8 to Jacobs number 2. Sorry, not Jacobs. To Morse number 2. I've got a R8 drill chuck, and this lovely little face mill, slab cutter face mill. Never been used. stellite tipped or whatever it is, carbide tipped tool, and there's a couple of little milling adapters, a few bits of collets with it, etc. Few milling ends and end mill slot drills, various sizes, and clamping kit, clamps and all. So all in all, it's single phase. And while I was there, I saw this. This was also for sale. I had to buy it, couldn't help myself. It's obviously XY table, 100mm or 4 inch. It's 4 inch because they're imperial dials. So 4 inch or 100mm, but also it's degreed off there. It's actually a rotating table. So I'm just trying to find, there's so you slack off that and you actually can rotate the head as well. So a nice little addition to the workshop to go with my sensitive drilling machine and the little 5-inch swing Raglan's Little John. So yeah, I missed the milling machine, which I had to sell when we moved because I had a bigger workshop in the previous place, and it was like a copy of like a Bridgeport thing, and it was just too tall, and too big for this place. But this I think is going to work out really well. So yeah, very happy. So now we've got a few more bits and pieces in the workshop. It's expanded my machining and manufacturing capabilities a little bit. So yeah, very pleased. So anyway, folks, we'll see you on the next one.